My hair was falling out so much that I thought I was going bald. I truly felt hopeless. But then my grandmother showed me an incredibly cheap recipe using just celery, something I never would have imagined could save my hair. Hair loss is truly a nightmare for many people, not only for women over 40, but even younger people struggle with it too. Thinning hair, widening parts, and even visible scalp can cause so much worry and loss of confidence. I personally went through the same desperate situation. My hair was falling out excessively, and no matter how many expensive products I tried, nothing seemed to work. That was until my grandmother shared with me an incredibly simple, natural, and inexpensive recipe that delivered surprising results. Faster hair growth, noticeably less hair fall, and stronger, healthier strands. If you're also searching for a solution that is both affordable and effective, let's begin together with the very first ingredient. The first ingredient in this recipe is garlic, a common kitchen spice, but also a true miracle worker for your hair. You'll need about 5 cloves of garlic. Peel them and chop them finely so the nutrients can be released more easily. Surprisingly, these small cloves contain up to 17 amino acids, which play a vital role in nourishing the scalp and stimulating new hair growth. Garlic also helps improve blood circulation, delivering more nutrients and oxygen to the hair follicles, which makes your hair grow thicker and stronger. With regular use, garlic can also help reduce hair fall and leave your strands softer, shinier, and naturally smooth without the need for harsh chemicals. Once chopped, transfer all the garlic into a clean glass bowl. Next, we move on to the second ingredient, celery. Take a handful of fresh celery and soak it in water mixed with a little baking soda to remove dirt and impurities. Few people realize that this familiar vegetable is often referred to as a remedy for dry, damaged hair. Once rinsed clean, let the celery drain and chop it into small pieces, ready to combine with the other ingredients. Celery contains apigenin along with powerful antioxidants that help protect hair follicles from free radical damage while soothing and repairing a stressed scalp. Thanks to these properties, celery not only supports healthy hair growth, but also helps reduce long-term hair breakage and excessive shedding. After chopping the celery, place it into a glass bowl together with the prepared garlic. The next ingredient is onion, a true nutrient powerhouse for your hair. Peel and finely chop half an onion so it blends easily with the garlic and celery. Onion is rich in natural sulfur compounds, an essential nutrient that nourishes the hair follicles and stimulates new hair growth while also helping your hair grow thicker and stronger. With regular use, onion can improve elasticity, reduce breakage, and add a natural shine to your strands. Add the chopped onion to the bowl with the garlic and celery. These three familiar ingredients, when combined, create the foundation of a natural, safe, and highly effective hair care formula that you can easily apply at home. Once the garlic, onion, and celery are prepared, pour in 100 ml of extra virgin olive oil. This oil is well known for its deep moisturizing properties. It helps balance the scalp's natural hydration and reduces dryness and itching. Olive oil is also rich in vitamin E and essential fatty acids, which prevent split ends, repair damaged hair, and improve elasticity. When blended with garlic, onion, and celery, olive oil enriches the mixture with nutrients, providing comprehensive nourishment from root to tip. Next, blend everything into a smooth, creamy mixture. This step is essential to ensure that the nutrients from garlic, onion, celery, and olive oil are fully combined and ready for extraction. Once the mixture is finely blended, add 3 tablespoons of pure coconut oil. Coconut oil is widely known for its ability to deeply nourish the hair from the roots, lock in moisture effectively, and reduce breakage. Thanks to its richness in fatty acids, and vitamin E, coconut oil also helps repair damaged hair, leaving it softer, stronger, and naturally shinier. Next, add 1 tablespoon of rice bran oil, a nutrient-rich ingredient known for stimulating hair follicle growth while enhancing shine and elasticity. When combined with coconut oil, this blend creates a natural protective layer that helps reduce damage and promotes thicker, stronger, and healthier hair over time. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly until you achieve a smooth, uniform blend. Are you also struggling with hair loss like I once did? Share your experience in the comments so we can all learn from each other. Once the mixture is ready, gently heat it using the double boiling method for about 30 minutes. Important note, always keep the heat low to medium and never let the oil boil, as high temperatures can destroy the valuable nutrients. This gentle process allows the essence from garlic, onion, and celery to slowly infuse into the carrier oils, creating a nutrient-rich, safe, and effective hair treatment. Garlic helps improve blood circulation and nourish the follicles. Onion adds sulfur to support collagen production and reduce breakage, while celery is packed with antioxidants that stimulate keratin synthesis. After 30 minutes, turn off the heat and let the mixture cool naturally. Next, strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve or a thin cloth to remove the pulp, leaving behind a clear, silky oil. This is your natural hair oil, a powerful blend that nourishes the scalp, reduces hair loss, and stimulates faster hair growth. With regular use, your hair will become thicker, stronger, and naturally shinier. Once you have the infused oil, add 1 pump of vitamin E to complete the formula. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that protects the hair from harmful free radicals, while also adding moisture, reducing breakage, and keeping every strand soft, smooth, and glossy. Store the mixture in a clean glass jar with a tight lid and keep it in a cool, dry place. This method of storage helps preserve the nutrients and maintain their effectiveness. Once your nourishing oil is ready, apply it evenly to the scalp and hair, then gently massage for 3 to 4 minutes to help the nutrients penetrate deeply and stimulate blood circulation. Next, wrap your hair for about 1 hour before washing it out with a mild shampoo. This formula helps strengthen the hair follicles, improve weak or thinning hair, and increase shine and elasticity. When applied twice a week, you'll notice reduced hair loss and hair that feels thicker, stronger, and healthier. And don't be too quick to discard the leftover pulp after straining the oil. It still contains valuable nutrients. Instead of throwing it away, you can make the most of the leftover pulp by applying it directly to areas such as the legs, joints, or veins that often feel swollen, sore, or fatigued. After applying, wrap the area with plastic wrap and cover it with a soft towel to keep the warmth in. For best results, leave it on overnight to allow the mixture to penetrate deeply and maximize its soothing and relieving effects. Thanks to the natural anti-inflammatory properties of garlic, onion, parsley, and olive oil, this remedy helps reduce swelling, calm inflammation, and improve the appearance of varicose veins. With regular use, you'll notice your legs feeling lighter, more comfortable, and more flexible day by day. Place the remaining pulp into a clean glass jar, seal it tightly, and store it in the refrigerator. This makes it convenient to use later while keeping the nutrients intact. What makes this formula truly special is that all the ingredients are completely natural, safe, and gentle for both hair and skin. The combination of garlic, onion, parsley, and nourishing oils not only boosts circulation in the scalp, but also strengthens each strand, helping your hair grow thicker, healthier, and shinier. For those in middle age, when hair often becomes thinner and more fragile, this simple at-home remedy can provide noticeable results without the need for expensive treatments. Please note, this video is for reference only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss any of my simple natural health tips. Thank you so much for watching, wishing you good health and peace always. See you in the next video.